साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ एक कोर्स जो स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है पर्टिकुलरली फॉर क्लास 12. यू कैन सी ओवर हियर for class 12 2020 to 21 English batch course it is. I will be getting all the preparation particularly for the science stream. See, the start date of this particular batch course is 11th of May 2020 and date will be 2020. Total duration particular course will be for 8 months. So that means what? Particularly in these 8 months, most of your syllabus, you can say that almost everything will be covered up, particularly in the science stream, by our educators. All the educators are the top educators from the all over India that have been selected particularly to give you the most important information regarding your class 12 science stream preparation. Okay, so in these 8 months you will be able to prepare for all the subjects in the science stream. So how the course will, what the course will be including, that will be including all your subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics and English. In this particular course, all the entire syllabus of CBSE class 12 will be covered up. Learners will be given a thorough guidance for the core subjects in physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. And see, we are covering around 700 plus sessions. The complete course will be in the English and the notes will also be provided in English. Now let's see the course plan for CBSE class science, CBSE science class 12. See, physics will be taken up by Varun sir. His timings will be 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. May 11th of May से इनके courses start हो जाएंगे. Total sessions he is going to take up is around 150. Then chemistry, Abha ma'am, she is the most renowned and the most experienced educator, and you will see the bio of her also soon. And the timings will be again 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. but her days will be Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. 150 sessions total will be taken up. Biology will be taken up by me, that is by Dr. Bhavna Agarwal. My timings for class 12 will be 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. May 13th that is the starting date of my course. Wednesday to Saturday, यानी वीक में 4 days classes होंगे. बायोलॉजी की 130 sessions I am going to take up. Mathematics, Suyash Goyal sir, he will be taking your classes from 11th of May. His timings will be 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. 160 sessions again. English will be taken up by Anita Acharya ma'am. She will be teaching you from 11th of May, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. will be her timings. Monday to Friday, she'll be taking the classes. Total sessions will be 150. Okay, so this is the course plan. Now let us see what are the features of these classes. See, these classes are plus classes. That means you have to take the subscription for the same. In subscription, you are getting a lot many benefits. Some of them I'm going to discuss with you. For example, you will get the live learning experience from the comfort of your home, unlimited access to all the courses. It's like you will be getting the access to each and every course that will be launched during the session of during the time duration of your subscription. There is no limit for the number of courses. Top educators all over the India. ये है कि they are selecting the educators from all over the India who are at the topmost level in the education system. So you will be getting the best platform, you will getting the best educators on this platform. They will make you study about how you have to study, the mentorship and the guidance. Everything will be given to you. Then see, exhaustive syllabus coverage. That means everything is covered up in each and every course properly. Nothing is left from the syllabus. Then you have a doubt clearing session. See, most of the time what happens is the your kids are not able to ask your doubts during the session. This thing happens most of the time. After the session over up, you start going through the notes, you get to know, no, I have this doubt. When will you ask your doubts from the educator? You can ask your doubts in the doubt clearing session. After every third session, fourth session in every course is a doubt clearing session. You can ask your doubts during the session also, or during the doubt clearing session. So it's a very good platform to make you understand what exactly the doubts you have. Okay, to clear all your doubts, all your curiosities covered up in the courses only. Live test series. See, live test series means what? That you will have a live exam as you are giving in your schools. You will be getting the live test series, live exams from your home only, and they will be getting some time period during which you have to sort out all the questions. Then you have a study material in the PDF format. See, what happens is whenever you miss any of the classes in your schools or in your coaching institutes, then what happens is you are not able to get the study material and the recordings also, right? You are just moving here and there, asking your friends, asking your teachers that what you have taught, please taught me, please taught me, and most of the time you are not able to clear up to the mark. आपको पूरा information नहीं मिल पाता, but on Unacademy it's not like that. Once you miss your sessions, you will get the complete recording of the previous sessions, you will get the study material in the PDF format, so nothing is missed on Unacademy. Then we have answer writing sessions. The answer writing sessions, like test you have, then mentorship and guidance will be given up to you by all the top educators who are teaching in the particular course. Now let's see the bio of each and every educator. See, first of all, we'll discuss about Varun sir. Varun sir is qualified MTech from IIT Kanpur. He has 8+ years of experience. So your physics will be taken up by him. He is going to make you a great learner in physics. Okay, he will clear up all your doubts, he will make you understand all the concepts, so don't worry about your physics, particularly for class 12. He is a very good and a highly experienced teacher for physics. Then Abha ma'am, you can see her experience. First of all, let's talk about her experience. She has 24+ years of experience. She is MSc qualified. She has served as head examiner for 14 years. So that means she will be giving you the best knowledge in the subject of chemistry. She is going to teach you the chemistry, so you can yourself make it out that how much things you will be able to learn from her. Then about me, I'm Dr. Bhavna Agarwal. I am a graduate in BHMS. I have done my medical degree from Dr. B.R. Sood Medical College, Delhi. I have a 3 years plus experience of teaching, and I'll be taking up your biology. See, biology seems to be very difficult most of the time to the students, but the way I'll teach you, that will become so easy with you that those who are afraid of biology, they will start loving it. Subah sham din raat biology padhoge when you start studying from me. Okay, so all your biology concepts will be cleared up by me. Then let's talk about Suyash Goel sir. See, he is going to take up your maths classes. He also has 6+ years of experience. He is a BTech from Dalbagh Educational Institute. So guys, he's going to cover up all your maths concepts. So don't worry about mathematics concepts. He will take care of all the things. Then Anita ma'am. See, she is a postgraduate in English from Daulat Ram College, Delhi, and she has 7+ years of experience. So she is going to make your English so well that you will be scoring very, very nice exams and very nice marks in your exam. So overall, all these educators will be taking up your classes in this particular batch course for class 12. Okay. Now coming to the pricing plan, let's discuss about it. See, since it's a batch course, it's a plus batch course, so of course it is paid. So for 1 month you will have to pay 2,500. For 3 months the charges are 6,250 for 3 months. 6 months you will have to pay 10,000 for 6 months, and for 12 months you will have to pay 12,000 rupees. But on this also, if you apply the referral code, then you will get the 10% discount. Referral codes will be shared with you very soon during the sessions also. So do apply them and get 10% discount on each and every level. You will be able to get the discount. So start moving up for the subscriptions. Then what you have to do for the first time, what you have to do, you have to download the Unacademy's learning app. You can download it very easily from the Google Play Store or from the App Store if you have the Apple phone. Then it becomes very easy for you to learn the things. I have shared with you each and every detail regarding to this course. Go through it once. If you like it, then definitely go for subscriptions and see. This course is going to start from 11th of May, and be sure that in 8 months all your subjects will be covered up. So start bugging up now and run towards the subscriptions as soon as possible. Get them done. We are waiting for all of you so that we can share our knowledges with you. Okay, so we'll see you very soon. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye bye. Please take care. Thank you.